Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our August kit reveals. As you know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club and we provide 3 different kits: a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. Plus we do our own laser cut chipboard, and you can check us out at www.treasureleekit.com. What we're going to do today is go through each kit and I'll show you everything that's in the kit. And if you're seeing this, then that means our kits have already released, so you can head over to the website and pick up a kit or go ahead and subscribe. But let's go ahead and get into these kits because that's what you're here for. First up, we have our scrapbook kit. It retails for $52. That does include your shipping, and that's US shipping only. You can check out our website for international shipping. And first up, we've got some crystal stickers, and these are from Uniquely Creative. One of the things about Treasure Lee kits is, especially our scrapbook kits, we try and feature papers that are not easy to come by in the US. We have a lot of international papers, so if that's your thing, make sure you check us out. So these are the crystals, and then we've got this Prima Flower spray or branch or whatever you want to call it. This is in pumpkin spice, and it's got these pretty yellow flowers in it. We've also got a pack of Prima Flower leaves. You get 12 pieces in here, and these are kind of like fabric leaves. They're so much fun to use. They're not cardboard, as you can see here. Whoop. And I'm losing them. You got 12 pieces in here, and they go great with this kit. Next up, you're going to have a yard of this jute ribbon. And then you're going to get into the chipboard pieces. And like I said, we cut our chipboard pieces in-house. This is our 6x6 brick panel. So you're going to get that. And this one is a fun one because you can cut it up and it'll keep going and going and going until you're done cutting it up. And yes, we left some of the bricks in. People like those, so if you get yours, you'll randomly have bricks left in it. And then also you're going to have our picket fence. This is a new piece, so it will be linked below to the chipboard in the store, or you can just go to Chipboard, and the panel is listed under backgrounds and the fence will be listed under nature. That's where it is. All right, let's get into these papers. But before we do, we've got one more piece. We've got some ephemera that you have to cut out on your own. But it's really fun, and it gives you an overview of what the papers are going to be like. So you've got some words on this side. You've got some numbers, a few more words. You've got some tiny tags here, some tiny banners, and some like little circles, and a couple of pieces of ephemera here to cut out. This would be lots of fun on cards, especially using the numbers, the 40, 50, 60, 70. If you've got some milestone birthdays coming up, this would be really fun to use for that. Now, as far as the papers go, the papers are from Uniquely Creative as well. They're an Australian company. And in your pack, you get 16 sheets of paper. So you're getting 8 papers, but you're just getting 2 of each. And this is their garden path collection. And on the back of this, don't throw this out, you're getting almost like a second set of the die cuts here. So if you use up some, then you've still got the others. And now let's look at these pretty papers. These gorgeous yellows. There are a lot of times we don't feature a lot of yellow, so I thought this would be a lot of fun. Most of the time we have the pink shabby chic stuff, but here we've got these beautiful yellows, some really soft blues. And if you haven't noticed, everything has a garden thing in the back side. And the good thing about getting 2 sheets is if you love one sheet on both sides, you've got an extra one, so you don't have to worry about cutting it up. There's the back side to that. Here's this, and there's the back side. And then you've got another sheet of cutouts of ephemera, which are really nice. Or you can just use the back side of this, and then you still have that second sheet. Same thing here. These would be nice. Remember we talked about cards? These would be nice for card toppers or tag toppers or whatever you want. But then you've got that solid black backside that's got some texture. So it kind of throws a little masculinity into these papers with the texture. And then you've got another sheet of ephemera. You flip that over. You've got this fun sheet that's got 4 different pieces on it. So if you wanted to make a mini album, you could cut this into 4 pieces. And then you've got more ephemera. Lots more cutouts. You've got some thank yous, some happy birthdays, some hellos. And then you've got your backside. This is really neat. If you like to watercolor, this would be really cool to color in with some watercolors. And it would still fall in with the theme of the paper because this is kind of watercolor-esque. So those are the 8 sheets, and then this is just the double sheet. And this is the scrapbook kit. And like I said, it retails for $52. You can find it in the store at www.trejoliekits.com. Kits are limited, so to make sure that you don't miss out, why don't you go ahead and subscribe. And speaking of subscribing, why don't you go ahead and hit the notification bell below and subscribe to our channel. And then don't forget to like and comment. And that way you will get our videos every time we upload. Our designers do crazy amazing things with our kits, and once a month we try and do a live as well with one of the kits, so you'll be able to see it all in real time. Next up, we have our cards, tags, and more kit. For our cards, tags, and more kit, this is our smaller kit. If you like smaller projects like cards or tags or ATC cards or things like that, then this is the kit for you. This kit retails for $42. And here you've got a package of smaller flowers in white. Here, you've got some metal corners from Prima. And I love these. They put these out years ago. And I was able to find some, so I was able to throw them in the kit. You're also going to get this pack of creative cuts of ephemera from Uniquely Creative. And this is from their Steampunk Boutique line. And we're going to open it up here for you, show some pieces. Try not to spill it off. But we've got some fun pieces here. Look how pretty that is. You've got double of those. And this one is really cool. It says The Story, and it's really steampunkish. It's got the clocks and gears and stuff on it. Here's another little pretty piece. These are going to be perfect for cards. They're so much fun. Love this hot air balloon. You've got more words in here, more steampunk pieces, gears, all of that fun stuff. And the colors are not typical for steampunk, which is what I really like. So you're going to end up doing like you got like a shabby chic steampunk going on here. Let's get these back into here so I don't lose any of my pieces. And then next up, you're going to have a set of chipboard cards. These are from Trey Jolie, and these are our cards. And here's the thickness of all of our chipboard. It's got a nice little weight to it. But you're going to have some tags. And then you're going to get this 6x6 collection of paper. And this is the Steampunk Boutique to go along with the ephemera. And these are single-sided, so you really don't have to worry about using one side and the other. But the papers are so pretty. There's steampunk, but there's a soft steampunk. And here's some of those elements that you get in the ephemera pack. And then another little simple sheet. This is going to be crazy cool for some shabby chic steampunk cards. There you go with the Harlequins. Got some damask. Got this pretty blue. I'm sorry. I've got new lights and I'm working on them. It's kind of washing out the color. There's that. It's a nice little script sheet. And then here you're back into the deep steampunk with the gears. And then it softens up again. And you get, this is a light green. There you go. And then your last sheet, you've got some little mini tags, some more ephemera, and a few cutout words. But that is the cards, tags, and more kit. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. For our mixed media kit, it's a little bit different. We give you mediums to use, but we also give you a little project in with your mediums that you can pull this right out of the box. It's a standalone kit. It retails for $47, and you can subscribe to one of our kits, all of our kits, or any combination that you like. It's all listed on the website at www.trejoliekits.com. So first up, let's go through the mediums. You're going to get this texture paste, and it's called Crush. Let's see. It's sealed, so it should be nice and fresh, but it's a white colored texture. And then to go along with that, you're going to get some paints. You're going to get a chalk style paint, and this is in French Rose. It's a really pretty soft pink. You're going to get a Luxe Metallic, and this is in Amazon. And it's this really pretty goldish greenish color, almost like a duochrome. And then the last one that you're going to get is also a Luxe Metallic paint, and this is an Antique Gold. And you see the color of it, and you see it's kind of got a green base, so all these colors tie together. Now when you're using these paints, make sure you shake them up really well before you use them. Next up, you're going to get these corners, and they're wood, but they're this flexible wood. When you heat it with your heat gun, it becomes flexible, and then once it dries, it holds the shape. So make sure that you like, comment, and then hit the subscribe button down here, and you will be able to see me use these. I typically use the mixed media kit when I do the YouTube live, so make sure you're following us for that. Next up, you're going to get this really pretty piece of rice paper, and I love using rice paper, and I think it just goes really well with the corners. And then also you're going to get this wooden frame. It's the thin frame. You're going to have a little piece where you can either alter your frame and then use it, or you can use it on your canvas, because you're also going to get this canvas in the kit. This is a 6x8 canvas that you're going to get along with the frame, the rice paper, the flexible wood. This is so much fun. I can't wait for you to see this. And then all your mediums here. So this is our mixed media kit. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and then head over to the website at www.trejoliekits.com and pick up your kit or kits. And while you're there, go ahead and get your chipboard. But thank you for stopping by, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.